somewhere. This is what I got. It's so cute.
What is it?
I think it's a puppy. Yeah, it's a puppy in a bed. Cute.
Let's see your shoes, Ken. Sweet. You're gonna be fast.
There's shoes. Soccer shoe. Cool. Thank you.
Cool.
Thank you.
New indoor soccer shoes?
Yeah.
Alright.
They're white. This is for me.
From who?
Santa.
Well, I thought we were gonna hand out gifts to everybody.
Yeah, now you guys gotta deliver gifts to everyone, alright?
They get to watch other people open. Isn't that more fun?
Daddy?
Just set them down there. Oh.
Sorry.